Let's talk about these cinnamon sticks. This is one of those recipes that I promise you is super easy. Like a few ingredients, but so delicious. We're gonna add a little raspberry swirl today. So you get a loaf of white bread. You cut the crust off. You're gonna take one of the slices of bread and you're just gonna roll it flat. We're gonna make a cream cheese mixture. We're gonna fill it inside here. We're gonna roll it up. We're gonna dip it in butter. We're gonna dredge it in cinnamon sugar and we're gonna bake it. All right, cream cheese, got it. Who doesn't love a little Philadelphia cream cheese? Me, I love it. We're now gonna add a half of cup of granulated sugar, just my egg yolk, okay? Oh, a teaspoon of vanilla. But we're gonna get this all nice and mixed. There's my cream cheese mixture. You're gonna wanna leave like the whole frame alone on the outside. All right, so you do a little dollop like this, and then you roll it from corner to corner, okay? Melt the 2 sticks of butter that are required to dredge. So all I'm doing, you guys, is making a little cinnamon sugar. It's gonna go for a little swim in the butter. Then we're gonna roll it in the cinnamon sugar. And then we're gonna bake these at 350 degrees. You're gonna bake them for about 25 minutes. Ready? Hold on. Can you hear the crunch?
As they would say. You know what? That's a whole nother topic.
Goodbye, y'all. Bye, y'all.
Better get out.